I'm Beth and I'm reading Meadowsweet. The book is about a girl called Kat who loves horses and she's getting one for her first time and she's wanted one forever.
I'm Marley and I have also been reading Meadowsweet. My favourite part about this book is that it goes on and then there's little sad bits instead of just most of it's sad and then it just has a happy ending.
I think my favourite thing was that, like Marley said, that there was lots of harder bits about it, but then it's got a happy ending. It gets you engaged in the book. It makes you want to read more of it. I also like the book because it's based in Wales, which is where we live, and there aren't many books based in Wales and this area.
I'd say that this book is suggested for people who enjoy reading with lots of description.
I would say, if you love horses, that would be an extra bit but why you'd like it. But because it's also, you can it's like your life. It's not too fantasy-like because it's more realistic.
I'd probably give it a 9.5 out of 10 because it's a good book, but then there's just these tiny bits where you don't know what the words mean, but they're put in the correct sentences, so then it's actually the sentences just tell you what it means.
I would give it probably an 8 because probably most of it because I'm not the most into horses, which is the base of the book, but I'd give it 8 because it's a really good book and it's got a little bit of humour in as well, I think.